Hello and welcome to Ecoholics. In this small video, we will understand 5 very important points to keep in mind while writing answers for UPSC examination. Now, answer writing plays a very important role because it doesn't matter how much you know, but it matters on your copy how much you can deliver. So for the first time, we are discussing these techniques, which is very vital. There are 5 techniques very important to write answer. First of all, writing answer is the part of your preparation. Generally, what students think that we will first study and then we will write. So what I'm doing is, it's a part of your study. It means whenever you start your study preparation for the examination, your answer writing is the part of it. If you're not doing simultaneous answer writing, you'll not find time, because as soon as you start preparing, it will go like syllabus will go widened, and that syllabus will create problem in consolidating. So when you are not able to consolidate your syllabus, you'll find trouble in the examination. So it's a part of study. So suppose you are studying, this is the day 1, I can say. So at day 30th, you should start your answer writing. This is very vital, because if you do not start in first 30 days, it will create a lot of problem for you. Okay. The next second point, which is very vital again, is to write bullet points. What does it mean? It means whatever you are reading from the book, notes, or whatever it is, you do make bullet points. Now these bullet points should be in your copy. Like for example, this is your copy, and how to make notes, that I'll let you know in a second. Now always remember, whenever you are making notes, your notes should be in the bullet points only. Do not write the full paragraph in making notes. Why? Because if you are copying the same thing which is written in the book, this doesn't make any sense. Because why we are making notes is just too easy to revise. If you are not able to revise quickly, then your notes would not be of any use. So for what you have to do, you just write bullet points. It means 10 to 14 words, that's it, in one line. So if you are reading certain article, reading certain chapter from the book, just write bullet points in your own language. If you're copying the same language written in the book, you'll not be able to recall, because these words are written in the books, not your own words. We are like familiar in reminding or recalling our own written words. Okay, so this is the bullet points, which is very vital whenever you write answers. So for example, if the question comes, write the salient feature. If the question comes that write certain merits, demerits, compares Niti Aayog, Planning Commission. So if you have these bullet points, then you'll be able to correct it. Third, which is again a very important thing, but students do miss, is the inclusion of current affairs. Current affairs. What does it mean? Generally, students think that if in the question they are not asking you directly the current affairs, so we do not have to mention it. But here, if you are not mentioning current affairs, it means you are giving an indication to the examiner that you are not reading newspaper. So if the question is not directly asking about any current event or any news, but still whenever you are writing anything, just in the form of evidence, you try to give certain current affairs, which is very vital. Now this current affairs should be clubbed with a small data. What does it mean? If suppose you are writing that inflation is going up in India, give the data. Small data in bracket, you write that inflation in this month is this, or the growth in the inflation is this, according to economic survey. So if you do these kind of things, examiner will be happy and will give you or reward you with more marks. So again, this will substantiate that you are reading the newspaper, you are well aware student, aspirant, that you are writing. Okay. The next is the fourth one. And the fourth one is practice. Now, it's easy to say practice, because practice makes you perfect. Now, what does it mean? It means you should practice on a copy which is expected to be given by UPSC. Now if you see the UPSC copy, you'll have this space only to write this. this is space you will write. They will write here, do not write here. So only you can write in the middle space. So what you have to do, you have to practice in the same sheet. So take out some A4 size pages and take the printout of that UPSC level copy. If you are finding it difficult in finding those copy, it is available on Ecoholics mobile app for free. You can download it. Practice only on those copies. The next thing which is very important, that after practicing, evaluation comes. Now who will evaluate your copy? First of all, if there is no one to guide you, what you have to do, write the few questions. Like for example, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, and so on till question number 10. Now once you will write 10 answers, anything, it can be PYQs, it can be any question in your test series or any question provided on Ecoholics website as well. So after seeing those 10 questions, you try to read the first question or the answer that you have written. You will realize that you have done a lot of mistakes initially. Now after doing this analysis, you will realize that as you are moving from 1 to 10th answer, you are yourself improving. Now if you are improving, then that's great. If you're not improving, you need to sort something out. Now after writing 10-20 answers, now you need certain mentorship. And that mentorship, okay, I will provide. So if you need to consult anything on your answer writing, you can ask on the numbers given on the screen. Okay. Now in the mentorship session, what we do is we provide end-to-end answer writing practice, live answer writing practice. It means I'm giving the question, you will get 9 to 10 minutes to write the answer, and then you will be writing those answers very, very quickly. Now, first of all, what you have to do is whenever you're writing answers in the answer booklet, the person to evaluate, it means suppose some students are good in introduction, some students are good in writing the content, the body, some are good in conclusion, some are good in facts. So someone has to improve in some other areas. So first you will analyze what are your weak areas and what are your strength areas. So these are the few things that we will tell. Apart from this, now whenever you are writing answers, you will realize that you are not able to recall certain points. So if you think you are forgetting something, go back to the notes, read it once, and then again you write. If you are a beginner, what we suggest is, in our answer writing session, but I'll let you know, what we suggest is, if suppose you are writing a particular question tomorrow, do full research today. By tonight, you complete your answer in your mind, in your notes, etc. And tomorrow morning, as soon as you wake up, you start studying, write answers. Okay, so preparing a day before, writing another day will give you a test of the examination. Okay, and as you are reaching towards the examination, IES or UPSC exam, whatever you are writing, always remember that if your paper is from 9 to 12 and 2 to 5 p.m., try to write in these time duration only. So it will trigger your mind that during these hours, I have to write a lot of questions, lot of answers. Okay. One last thing in answer writing, that is the 5th point. Revision. Now revision is vital. Generally what people do is people try to follow the syllabus, and after following the syllabus they have written the answer, then they move to the next one. So it means that whatever you have studied on the first month, you'll not be able to recall in the maybe 6th month, 7th month, 8th month. So revision is the key. If you're not doing revision, you'll not get confidence. And these big examinations all about confidence. So if you are not feeling confident about your content, try to revise again and again. Okay. Instead of reading too many books, follow one book and read multiple times. That's a very basic phenomena of revision. If you do a lot of revision, you will feel confident. Now, how to do revision? Now reading the same book again and again is not the revision. Your notes will help you in this time. So whatever notes you have made, try to read those notes, which is very vital, written in the bullet points. You'll quickly revise it and try to write the answer. So this is how it will complete your answer writing strategy. And this is how, if you follow, you'll be able to qualify the exams. I hope you like this video. We are running the separate test series, live courses, recorded courses for working professional and other students. If you are interested in, you can contact on the numbers given on the screen. Still have any doubt in this answer writing sessions or any queries related, please mention in the comment section. We do reply in 24 to 48 hours. That's our guarantee. I hope you like it, this initiative. Don't forget to subscribe Ecoholics. Thank you so much and have a nice day.